Pilot, Flex, you guys have been just phenomenal this week. It's been such an honor watching all these amazing pilots kind of do their thing.
All these youthful.
Oh, for sure. That's where this sport is. It starts with the youth, so get them involved. And as we always say at AJ, hey, as long as you're out at the flying field having fun, that's the most important.
Yeah. And I feel like the youth is a big thing for AJ. I mean, for me personally, I was one of the first team pilots for AJ back in 2017, and you guys just love pouring into the youth, and like Grayson out there in charge. You guys love pouring into the youth because you know it'll come right back to you. And this is what this community is all about, and I think AJ really encaptures that.
Yeah, our biggest thing is, you know, our slogan is faith first, family second. So we like to say, hey, our pilots are part of our family. How can we help you? How can we best support you? Super proud of these guys. So let's, you talked about the youth. We have Grayson Elmer. He is flying that teal airplane. That is the 103 SX Extra. Grayson competed last night at the Futaba night showdown.
The competition that we had last night.
Yeah, it was awesome. He came in third. A little bit about that airplane. It is powered by a 123 GP. He's got a 2711 Falcon prop, and he is running some high-tech servos in that. So he's just doing an amazing job for us. As far as those 103 SXs, we do not have any at the booth, but we do have a container coming in fresh on Monday.
Oh, on Monday, okay.
On Monday. So Andrew and I are going to get to work as far as unloading that container. We will have the SX in that teal color, as well as it comes in red and charcoal.
That's nice. That's nice.
Yeah. Next up, we have this orange airplane, a little bit lower to the ground. That's flown by Dan Sterpacki, all the way from Yuma, Arizona. That is our 93-inch laser. That is powered by a 76 GP. It also has high-tech servos in it. Dan does an amazing job with that airframe. We have that up at the booth. It comes in orange as well as blue, and it does have a show special.
Okay, nice. So you guys came out with the original airplane that you guys came out with at AJ Aircraft was the 93 laser. I'm very familiar with it as I flew IMAC with it. I actually competed at the national championship with the 93 AJ laser. I had a lot of success there. And then I went on to fly the 105 laser at the Nats the following year. Had really good results with that too. And you guys are just known for having that really good characteristic of being very precise, but yet super aggressive.
Right? Yeah, so the biggest thing about Andrew and as far as AJ is we like to say because of his pattern background, he likes to have a little bit of, you know, a lot of bit of precision in all the DNA of his airplanes that he creates. So
what do you mean pattern? Sorry, so Andrew, he flies pattern?
Yes, so he flies pattern.
Is he okay at it, or?
I hear he's okay. I mean, kind of subpar to PK, but not this season. Andrew's super humble about it, but Andrew won the World Championship last year in Muncie, Indiana, for the F3A World Championship. So, World Champion here. He's amazing. We're super proud of him.
Yeah. It's a long time coming. I mean, he deserved it, and
I wish people knew the amount of hours that this man spends at the field. I mean, not just on pattern, but when it comes to prototyping, when it comes to our planes, he's constantly out there, you know, testing, flying. It's an everyday thing, Kobe, to be honest with you.
And it's, I mean, he was practicing. He also has a full-time job as well.
Yeah, so his 9 to 5.
And a dad.
Yeah.
And he runs a beautiful company, AJ Aircraft.
Yeah, I don't know how he does it, to be honest. But his 9 to 5 is actually a military contractor. He manufactures, helps design drones for his company out in Huntsville, Alabama. And then when he clocks out there, he clocks into AJ Aircraft and takes little Asher with him to the field and kind of just has a lot of fun.
Unbelievable.
So it looks like we had some issues with the slick, but that was Ricardo on the sticks. That is our 103 slick. Ricardo is all the way from Mexico. He is with BW Hobby here, Sam. and he also competed in the competition last night. He did amazing. He actually won it. So
yeah, I mean,
congratulations, Ricardo.
I guess he flew it so hard yesterday that the slip was. I'm tired today.
I'm telling you, for sure.
He flew so hard last night.
So that one is powered by a 120 DA. That plane has flown wonderful for him. Not quite sure what happened there, but it has flown wonderful for him. We have that up at the booth. That's the 103 Slick. It comes in red and blue and red and charcoal. He also is flying that 103 Slick with the Futaba servos in it.
Hey, Grace of the Day giving us a little show, a little hover and rainbow action over there, a little Humpty Dumpty, some hopscotch. Just having some fun playing around. I mean, that's what we love to do here with the 3D stuff. It's like a rag doll. How are you, Andrew?
Doing great. How are you guys?
Never better. You guys just put on an incredible show. Let's give it up for AJ Aircraft, everybody. Phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. Make sure to go check them out. Great job. Next up,